Hello, I'm in a 2012 Kia Rio, and today I'm going to show you to add brake fluid. So first, make sure your hood's open, and then just right here you should see this reservoir that leads to your brake fluid. You can take this whole panel off if you need. There's just little screws you could unscrew and pop it off. I don't know that it's needed, but to open this, you'll just twist and it pops right off. And then with just your little jug of brake fluid, maybe with a funnel if needed, you can just pour directly into that. You don't want to overfill. There's a line right here that says max, so ideally you fill up to around there. And then when you're done, take your cap back. You want to make sure it's tight so nothing's gonna come out. And then check your owner's manual online as best as you can for the exact type of fluid you should use for your particular vehicle model. But that's it. And as always, make sure there's no leaks around or anything like that. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.